welcome back to a new Roblox video. Yes, I'm finally back on Roblox. The manager has gone mad and locked all of us in this hotel. Okay, let's get this. I just heard someone die. Okay. Oop, I just died. I'm kind of in a little of a bad mood because Roblox would not load. It was annoying, but it loaded. My Roblox videos are finally back. Hopefully I got that checkpoint. Nope, I didn't. You thought, I don't think you thought, do you guys think that my Roblox videos were gone for good? No, they're not. Oh, I made it. Yes. Skip. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, this time I'm, okay, so. Okay. Yes. Did I get that checkpoint? Yes, I did. So I know you're probably expecting Flower Miracle to come back soon. It will come back soon, finally. Because I'm able to play Roblox again. Oh no! I totally missed that jump. Okay. First time playing in a long time, so. Well, I did play on Val's channel, but that's when Val was over. Hopefully he'll be able to come over again soon. Why is there a red glow behind there? Oh, I don't know. You can't even see it from front view. Whew. Oh, that's a pretty easy hack. Oh. Oops. I kind of died. Also, I'm sitting on a beanbag. I'm no longer sitting on a chair. Oop. Okay, I'm not used to this. Like, it's not really easy. But, we're back. It feels so good to play Roblox again. Oh, almost died. What's behind there? Eh. Oh. Oh man. Yeah, I would set up my face camera so you guys can see my face, but I didn't. I do have my face camera though. But this is my comeback video. Okay. Okay. Alright, we just both responded at the same time. Okay. No! Why is this so hard? Like the first, no, not the first obstacle in the game anymore, at least. I wasn't around when the old version was played and I just died because I touched it! How is she not? How in the world is that even possible? Oh no! Okay. Oh, but I just heard someone die. How did I die? elevator is down. Use the fire exit. Oh. Woo! I've not been really talking much in this video. But I will. Whoops, wrong way. Okay. We're here. Alright, here we go. No! How in the world? Why did I die? I didn't touch it. No! How in the world did I die? Alright. Okay. There's one up here, it blends in. I just heard him. Alright. You can walk in the water! But you just can't go down. Okay. Whoa. Why am I acting like I've never played this before? I have. Did I get the checkpoint? Oh, yes I did. Gotta wait for that to come back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like that they put them lower down. Ah! I'm no used to this. I remember when I did a video on Val's channel. Did I get it? I think I did. Oh no. I died. I died on purpose so I can get that Facecam's not really a thing I do on my channel much and really often anymore. I used to do it a lot. But I don't do facecam anymore that much. But I do sometimes. Also, next time I do facecam, you're gonna be seeing me in a different room than I used to record in. I used to have to record in my dad's room. But now I'm recording in my bedroom. Okay. Woo! I died in the lava. Yeah, I hopefully will be able to get back to Minecraft. As I've been not on my computer, been able to be on my computer for a few days, but yeah. I thought I broke my screen because I've dropped my screen a few times, but nope, we're good. I just saw a close up on my Roblox character's head. Okay. You need to walk off like the edge a little bit. Okay. So far so good. What is this? Oh my god! What is this? Hold on. What is that? Those things are creepy. Whoops. Ah! No! Oh, oh, oh. No! I'm really trying my hardest to get that little exclamation point, but okay, finally got it. Oh, there we go. Ah! What is that? I'm getting out of here. What is that? What the? What the? I'm like trapped in it. Trapped in the elevator. Up here's the elevator shaft. Okay. It's all me. I'm turning off the chat. I'm turning off the chat. How come I'm talking really weird? What is this creepy place? Looks like it's the abandoned part of the hotel. I don't know. We'll need to find out. Yay! This. Ew. The sound? Ew. 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 Oh. Why am I streaming like that? Period. Okay. I didn't die there for like a split second and then I died. So did you guys miss my Roblox videos at all? Because I haven't recorded them in a long time. Because I couldn't. Yeah, I posted videos every now and then. I like post videos every now and then. Now you're finally gonna get my daily videos again, hopefully. I just can't believe this. Oh, guys, I have to end it here. Bye. Because the recording's literally about to end, so bye. I'll see you later, I guess.